Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple yet powerful lemon water routine designed to support healthier digestion, improved hydration, and optimized weight loss over a 12-week period. This method uses real, fresh lemons and a preparation process that helps maximize the benefits of this natural detox drink. Let's start with how to make it, and then I'll explain why it truly works. Recipe and directions. Follow these directions for 12 weeks to optimize weight loss. Use real lemons for best results. Clean 4 lemons with 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 2 cups lukewarm water. Soak for 2 minutes. Slice all 4 lemons and add to 1 gallon of distilled or filtered water. Boil for 5 minutes. Let cool, then add 2 tablespoons baking soda per gallon. Reduce to 1 tablespoon if you have blood pressure concerns. Pour into pitcher and refrigerate. Drink half a cup first thing every morning, 30 minutes before eating or drinking anything else. Why this lemon water routine works? Benefits and weight loss support. Number 1. Supports metabolism and digestion. Lemons contain citric acid, which helps stimulate digestive enzymes in the liver and stomach. This may help your body break down food more efficiently and maintain a healthy metabolism. Number 2. Improves hydration. Most people confuse hunger with dehydration. Starting the day with lemon water helps keep the body hydrated and reduces unnecessary snacking. Number 3. Natural detox support. Lemon water stimulates liver function and encourages gentle cleansing of the digestive system, aiding in the removal of waste and stored toxins that can slow weight loss. Number 4. Helps balance pH and reduce acidity. Even though lemons are acidic before digestion, they have an alkalizing effect inside the body. When combined with baking soda, this can help reduce acid buildup, which may help with inflammation and cravings. Number 5. May support healthy blood sugar response. Hydration plus fiber plus acidity from lemon may help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, helping control hunger. Number 6. Can improve morning energy and mental clarity. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning wakes up your digestive system, encourages bowel movement, and helps you start the day feeling refreshed and clear-headed. Number 7. Encourages routines that support healthy habits. Drinking this each morning builds a ritual people who develop morning wellness habits tend to lose more weight over time.